This used to be out in the country, bunch of farmland, and this was quite a spot here because everybody said the silo where the trees growing out of. Well, good news. There's going to be a neighborhood here, but the tree in the silo is going to live on. It's going to be a part of this roundabout, though. Let's walk around it and see. I don't need to even know if I'm allowed to be over here, but it wasn't locked, so. Pretty cool. I've always been meaning to stop here and check out this tree, but we always go down this street on the way to the OU football games, and it's always busy and there's nowhere to stop. But now there's a whole neighborhood here. Oh, I gotta stop and take a silhouette picture. We're still going on the roundabout. My van is right behind it. There. I don't know what they even call this thing, but I do remember seeing it online and stuff. There's like different ones in different cities, and if you just Google tree and water tank or silo, this one will come up. I like it. I like the blue in it. Excellent. I'm so glad that I got to get it before they made a whole neighborhood here. I'm gonna kind of miss seeing it out in the country like that, though there was trees all around it. Let me do a pano of all this and show you now. I don't know what the neighborhood's gonna be called, but I'll do it. Here we go, riding on the roundabout. I almost ran over the middle of it. Okay, hold on you. There we go. So I got to say that I'm riding on the roundabout. Cool. Now let's come from the other side and get a picture of it again. Yeah, roundabouts are cool if there's no traffic, huh? But when there's traffic, man, you really gotta watch it. Let's turn around right here. I gave you a view of all the neighborhood, though, didn't I? Segovia, is that the street? No. Sanabria and Zamora Lane right here. Huh. Pretty interesting. I wonder how they named the streets. They named them after the developers' kids or something, probably. And there you go. Okay, bye-bye, old tree. See you later for an update.